Hey guys, I'm Lisa. Welcome to my channel. We all love that healthy glow that comes from within, that glowing skin, healthy skin, and we all want to reduce our darkness and hyperpigmentation. Finally, I got a product that was suggested to me by a friend on Instagram. This one is Ftune Face Cream, that is also a night cream or night mask, overnight mask, that helps with skin whitening, remove dark spots, remove acne and acne marks, removes under eye dark circles. That is 100% natural and provides 100% result guaranteed, guys. The texture of this cream is very smooth, mousse like texture that is very easy to apply on your skin. It will not irritate your skin. The ingredients in this cream is really so nice. All you have to do is apply a thin layer on your skin before you go to bed. Leave it on the entire night, and the next morning wash it off, and you will see the most glowing skin you have ever had. Really, guys, it gives so nice results. I actually have seen results after like 14 to 15 days of continuous use. You have to use it continuously. You have to use it every single night, and you will see 100% guaranteed result, guys. Really. This has sandal extract, turmeric extract, glutathione, niacinamide, biotin, kojic acid, collagen, glycerin, vitamin A, B, C, and E, alpha-arbutin, and water. That is a very nice ingredient list, guys. Everything helps with reducing dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne marks, and also under eye darkness. So this cream is really good if you are suffering from dark spots on your skin. You want a healthy glowing skin from within. This is the cream, guys, and trust me, it provides 100% result guaranteed, guys. I have seen result within 15 days of my continuous use. So this is great, guys. It has no harmful chemicals or any side effect. It suits all skin type, guys, all natural products. So it is really very nice, guys. It comes in this cute little tiny bottle. You can order it on WhatsApp number. I will provide the number up in the screen. You can contact on their WhatsApp number to order this product. I actually came across this product through Instagram review. Someone from my friends list actually shared this with me because they know I have a lot of skin concern. Ftune product is really nice for my skin. I love it, guys. And the smell of this product, I cannot stress it enough, guys. The smell of this product is so nice. I love this product. It's very easy to buy. You can order it on their WhatsApp number. Again, the number will be in my description box if you want to check it out. So yeah, it's actually very difficult to find a product with all natural ingredients, all without any harmful chemicals, that will have no side effects. So when I found this product, I was really amazed. How can this product be so effective? I had to share it on my channel. So yeah, that's it for this, guys. You can clearly see how my skin is glowing. I just love the feel of my skin nowadays. So yeah, that's it, guys. Order this from their WhatsApp number. The number will be on my screen and the description box. So yeah, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and have a great skin. Bye bye.